Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel, and today we're going to be going into another toolbox at work. This is going to be in one of the race trailers that we work out of at the track, and this is going to be one of the universal toolboxes, something that everybody uses, something that we always have handy right there in the pit area. So up top we're going to start with our Allen keys that we've made little racks out of the rods. And then we have our zip tie holder up top. On the side here we have a rail for our tape measures, pry bars, all of that. First drawer, we have everything labeled. This is miscellaneous: scrapers, picks, digital calipers, all that, feeler gauges. Next one's punches and files and everything for miscellaneous stuff that we need to work on. Next down is the wrench drawer. Here's all the AN wrenches and adjustable wrenches, and then starting over here we go from 1/4 inch all the way up to 1 inch, all different sizes, ratcheting, non-ratcheting, all of that. Yeah, it's quite a bit of wrenches. Next one down below is our socket drawer. We primarily use SAE. We very rarely need anything metric. So down here we have 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive ratchets and extensions, adapters, miscellaneous sockets, and then our 3/8 chrome sockets, 1/4 inch over here and 1/2 inch here. And keep in mind that everybody has their own toolbox, so they all have their own specific sockets that they need for their specific job. This drawer is going to be our screwdriver drawer. We got Torx, Phillips, and flathead, and then back here precision screwdrivers and everything needed. Next one below that is going to be Torx and Allens, whether that be Allen keys or Allen sockets and Torx sockets. Below that is going to be the pliers in the back, all the locking pliers. The next section is needle nose, slip joint, side cutters, all of that, flush cuts, tin snips, more tin snips, and then snap ring pliers below those. And then the bottom drawer is going to be all the hammers and everything. Now we also use a lot of air tools, which the universal drawer for everybody is over here, with a bunch of different attachments and everything. But everybody does, once again, have all their power tools, whether that be cordless or air, in their own toolboxes for their jobs. So that's it as far as this kind of universal box that everybody uses for miscellaneous jobs. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts, and if you enjoyed, please hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below of your thoughts, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys in the next one.